Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing a new box. It's not really new to me, but it brought its way back. Let's just say that. So I subscribed to Boxy Charm. I'm pretty sure I subscribed to Boxy Charm before. If not, it's probably Birchbox, but I know I did like a beauty subscription. And what I wanted to do is, since I've been doing fashion subscriptions up until this point on my channel, I wanted to throw in something a little different and throw in a makeup subscription box. So as you can see on my cute little board here, trying to be a little more personable with my background. So it's new box, Boxy Charm. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pretty please. Thank you. I have not opened this box at all. It's cute. I always thought like these boxes were a little bit more bigger. So you go onto Boxy Charm and you fill out a style quiz, basically, which a lot of subscription boxes do. You go onto their website and basically do like a short little, do a short little quiz, and they will send you products, I believe, based on your preference, if I'm not mistaken. The box is $21 a month, and I believe all of the products are full size. I think you get about 4 to 5 full size products. Yes, let's unbox, shall we? And of course, I will leave the link down below if you're interested to sign up with Boxy Charm. So this is what the box looks like when you first open it up. Hopefully you guys can see that. Alright, so without looking at anything, you get like a little card, and on here, on the card, it tells you what you get and pricing. So you get some worms. Cute. The first thing I see here, which is, I believe, a full-size product. And I've actually, you know what's funny about this product? I believe I've always been super interested in this product, but I never picked it up, and I don't know why. Probably price. Yep, it's price. So this is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream, and it has like anti-aging armor rejuvenating concentrate. So the price of this, it is full size, and it's $48. So I'm pretty sure 9 times out of 10 the reason why I didn't pick it up is because of the price. But this is what the jar looks like. If you were to go into like an Ulta, maybe my camera will pick it up, maybe not. Here we go. Really great packaging. Quality is amazing. It's a glass jar. It's very heavy, and the cream smells so good. It has like this soft, very soft to me, lemony like scent. And girl, I love me a lemon. I love lemon anything. I love to eat lemons, lemon like treats, desserts. That is super refreshing. It feels, and very like moisturizing, very moisturizing. It smells really good. Doesn't feel like it'll weigh down on the skin, like make it feel like really greasy or heavy. I would probably wear this more so at night. That's just me though. So it's anti-aging, perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. Quick absorbing super cream, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. So that's cool. I really need to like, you are beautiful. You are it. Oh, that's cute. Thanks. Next product, Laura Geller's Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops. This is in the famous color Gilded Honey. I've been on the makeup side of YouTube for very long time to know that when it comes to a Laura Geller product, I feel like one of her most famous products is the Gilded Honey highlight, but now this is in the little drops, the illuminating drops. This little jar here retails for $32. 32 beautiful, lovely hard-coin dollars, which isn't bad because honestly, who's gonna use that whole entire jar in one take? It's very pretty, very pretty. So I don't know if you can see that. Just rubbed it in a little bit, but it's subtle. I feel like you can mix it in with your foundation, or maybe just put a little bit, add a few little drops on the cheekbones, highlight areas, and you're good to go. It's a highly concentrated and ultra pigmented liquid multi-use illuminator. All right, next, oh wait, we have a Kat Von D liquid lipstick. Oh my god, this will be my first liquid lipstick from Kat Von D ever. Funny thing is, I went to TJ Maxx and they have I feel like they get secondhand high-end beauty products. I was looking at some of Kat Von D's makeup that they had there, and I'm really iffy about the shades of liquid lipsticks that I put on myself because not everything goes with my skin tone, but baby, this is prettiest, okay? This is really prettiest. What we have here, we have a Kat Von D Everlasting liquid lipstick in the shade Sanctuary, and this liquid lipstick retails for $20. It's a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick, and it stays on all day. Highly pigmented. It is vegan and cruelty free. Coat your lips with one swipe, delivering you color that you want and need. Infused with vitamin E, sunflower seed oil, giving your lips moisturizing comfort you deserve. First of all, cute packaging, of course. This color, beautiful. It's a beauty. This me. It is me, okay? This is me. It is like a kind of like a deep mauve, like a deep mauve color. I don't know if it that's even showing its justice, but it's super pretty. I'm super hype about this, I'm not gonna lie. Next we have, it's called Bang Beauty. I don't know what it is. Chocolate liner. So this is an eyeliner. Oh, cute. Chocolate gel eyeliner. I don't know why I smelled it as if it was gonna be some type of I don't know, yeah, it was gonna smell like chocolate. Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner. It says use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even touch up your brows. It's creamy chocolate toned pomade. It is ultimate triple threat. So I'm just taking a random brush here. I'm trying to, ooh, this is creamies. Okay. It is a pomade for sure. This brush is not doing it any justice, because it's kind of it's not stiff, but it's definitely sticky. So you might need to warm the product up a little bit before you try to use it, because it's, I don't know, it seems kind of hard to use. And I'm all about that liquid eyeliner, not that gel eyeliner, but hey, I ain't mad at it. I'm sorry. The chocolate eyeliner retails for $22. Again, all of these products are full priced. Last but not least, whoa, okay, Boxy Charm doing it big, y'all. All right, we have some Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask from Wonder Beauty. So I got 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. These retail for $13 each, I believe. says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Acid diminish the appearance of wrinkles, while the leaf extracts and lavender oil cools and smooth under eye areas. Nice. Your girl needs some, because these late nights with my daughter is like killing my under eyes. First of all, my under eyes never looked this bad in the 25.5 years of my life. Okay, so I'm not mad. I seriously loved this box, as it being my first box. I want to say I'm really stoked about like pretty much all the products. The only thing I don't really care for too much is probably the chocolate gel liner, but I'm super stoked. I'm cool with the illuminating drops. I'm not too like big on illuminating drops, but hey, I'm hype about it. I love the lipstick. I'm like super stoked. For real, I'm shocked. I'm shooketh that I got this cream in my box, because honestly, I've been wanting this and I just kept avoiding getting it. So it's funny, it was like, here girl, stop holding off. And I'm like, okay. So that is it. That is all of the products that I received in my box for my first Boxy Charm box. I do look forward to my next month's box to see what I get. And if you like this type of video and you want to continue seeing me do unboxings or any type of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Or if you have any suggestions, leave it down in the description, or comment section down below. And you can follow me on all my social medias. I upload on all of my social medias for my fashion unboxings, like as far as clothing hauls and fashion, all of that. Those of course are there for you to venture off into, and I try to take pictures of my clothing items to style them on Instagram so you guys can see them. But if you have any suggestions, again, leave them in the comments below, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.